side. So that's me at the beach right here. See, got sand all over my foot. That's um that's how it looks out here. It's like a gadi. It's a nice seagull right there. Ça c'est loin à sous beach là. Sans beach sans pied bois, sans pied coco. The water is nice and clear today. I don't really want to go down there and show you. Look at the nice sand, man. American beach with sand. San azul laplaj. What am I doing? Oh, I forgot my sunglasses. What's the joke? The lifeguards over there. See, I like to come to the beach between 3 and 6. Moi, aimé venir sur la plage là, les 3 heures pour 6 heures. There. They advertising all the time on the beach. The Asbury Park Beach. I was in the ocean earlier, so I came back. People are still coming in over here. People are still coming in. After a certain time, I think it's 3. After 3, it's 3. Après 3 heures, la plage là, libre. Faut pas ni pour payer pour entrer sur pour monter aller dans asou beach là. After 3 p.m., you gotta it's free. If you come here before 3, it's like $10 per person. $10. All right.
Garrett, why don't you come back to the water? It's not like that.
Let's zoom in on the boat over there. Yeah, it's a nice boat. It's too bad I'm zooming. I'm doing this from my cell phone. Age, lifeguard right there. It's a nice day at the beach.
What? No, you can't go in the water. There's no lifeguard. You can't go in the water.
They're still there. The lifeguards are still
Oh,
there.
he's there?
Yeah, they're
Oh,
there.
okay. That's not your thing.
It's my little rubber rat going over there. That's him. Yep, that's summer life in the northeast. I think New York is that way. New York City is that way. Somewhere further over there. So if you take a boat from here and you travel over there, that's you can get to New York City. Si vous prenez un petit bateau, si un bateau, oui. Si vous prenez un petit bateau comme ça, bateau qui est là-bas, et puis vous allez droit là-bas, droit en direction ça là, ça c'est la New York City. Tout ça c'est New York City. Bon, là pour là, c'est New York City. So, um, temps passé, nous étions après 6 heures, nous étions venus la pêcher pour poisson.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Donc, nous pas 10 années avant strictement faire ça, mais c'est là nous avons pêché. Quand on pourrait créer une poisson le gloire comme ça.
Yeah, you don't want it to.
All right, so as I was saying, if you go straight over there, take a boat or a jet ski, then you get to New York City. All of that is New York City coastline. Right there. All right, man, let me enjoy the rest of my time on the beach and then head on home. Right over there. I can never seem to finish a video. Let's see, there's a beach all over there. All over there. Sand, no trees, no coconut trees. The water is decent. It's not so brown, I should say. Oh, let me put this camera down and let me get out of here.